1% daily profits with verified trading. Absolutely phenomenal results. 2 weeks ago, I started with $500, and now just 10 trading days later, I'm already up to about $580. This is an amazing opportunity, guys. Stay tuned. 1% daily profits with verified DAX copy trading. The trader who we follow has a digital footprint. He has public presence on all social media channels like Instagram, Telegram, and so on and so forth. He puts up live updates on his stories or Telegram account, for example, stop loss, take profits, and so on. He owns his own trading company and has more than 12 years of experience. And we're using the broker RoboForex, so yes, it's verified trading. The trading goals are 1% in daily yield. Obviously, that's phenomenal. So there are some massive risks involved, and we will cover them as well. Trading is happening obviously only when stock market is open, so during Monday to Friday. And the historic returns of this trading account is more than 1,200% in the last 450 days. Let's go over to the goals and expectations. As I said, for the yield, the daily goal is 1% from Monday to Friday when the stock market is open. That means our weekly goal is about 5%. And if that goal is reached early, for example on Thursday already, there is the possibility that the trader will take Friday off. So if we already reached our goal of 5%, the trader won't necessarily push through just to make trades happen on Friday. If there are bad market conditions or he doesn't feel safe with upcoming news, he will just take a day off. And again, on this trading account for the DAX, there are 1,200% in historic returns on the last 450 days. So what are our chances with that? Obviously, potentially very high returns with that trading. There's a fast incoming compound interest effect, earning 1% per day. So you will feel the eighth wonder of the world, compound interest coming in very, very fast. And obviously, given that this is all passive, this could become another stream of passive income. But there are potentially high risks involved. There are bigger drawdowns given the high leverage. The historic maximum drawdown of this account was minus 53%. And there will be some losing days, so you will not earn 1% every day. Now, in my experience in the last 2 weeks, there have not been losing days, but they will come, and there will also be some bigger gains than 1%. I already had a day with 2.6% profit in one day, but there will also be a couple of losing days. Sometimes you might lose 8%, you might lose 0.3%, whatever it is, you will not only win. Obviously, the trader makes some mistakes as well. Another risk that might happen is if the community gets too big and there are too many copying this specific trader. Now, I cannot assess how big this risk really is, but from other experiences, I know if there are too many people, for example 5 million, there might be the case that copy trader number 5 million executes the trade, let's say 2 seconds later than the trader does. So there might be some price differences, and if there are price differences, there will be performance differences. How big is this risk? I do not know, but I don't want to leave it off the table. So my tip for this, obviously, when you do follow, take your profits, don't only compound, choose your own risk management strategy, maybe 50-50, 50 cash out, 50 compound. Make some thoughts, go through it, and make your own risk management strategy. Now let's go over to the trader performance from this account. This account was started on 4th of November 2021, and until today, again, has 1,127.54% profits. Maximum drawdown of minus 53.31%, as I said, and running days of 457 days. If you find this interesting and want to use some risk capital, I will leave a full detailed step-by-step introduction how to get started in the description. But please keep in mind that this is very risky. If you want to gain 1% every day, there are massive risks involved, like we talked about. And also, I'm not a financial advisor and none of this is financial advice. Please do your own research and make your own investment decisions, and only use risk capital, which you can afford to lose. So let's give an example. A copies this account from the beginning, so from 4th of November 2021, and started with $10,000. Today, A would have more than $1.2 million inside his account. That's absolutely ridiculous. And if you get started, I would also highly suggest to download the app Metatrader. And as you can see, you have an extremely good overview about your trades, the history, and your open positions. Here you can see some trades happened on 1st of February, 31st of January, 30th of January, and the 26th. You can also see some losing trades right here. And you see that my account is now up to $580.21. I started with 500 and again now today 580 after only 2 weeks. What are the requirements? Obviously you need a broker account from RoboForex. The step-by-step introduction to get everything started will be down below in the description. Opening up a broker account, you will also need to go through the KYC. Again, also only use risk capital, because there are a lot of risks involved. You saw a maximum drawdown of minus 53%. Do not use capital that hurts you if you lose part of that capital or all of it. You need at least $120 to get started. That's a minimum requirement for this specific trader. The recommendation by the trader itself is actually 500 plus. But I also do have people in my inner circle only using $100. And it works as well. So here we are on his performance page, and you can see there are more than 7,200 investors. So more than 7,000 guys copying this trader account. Absolutely insane. And what does the trader itself get from it? You can see that the commission is 30% of the profits. So on every Saturday, 30% of your profits will go to the trader. For an easy example, let's take $100 in profits for 1 week. On Saturday, $30 of this profit will go to the trading account. So you are left with $70. Again, links to all the sites to the trading site will be down below in the description. If you have a broker account already, you need to open up a trading account as well. All of those settings are also in the description. So just check that out if you find this interesting, and you should have no problem getting started. But just in case, if it's very complicated for you, there will be links to WhatsApp or Telegram of myself down below in the description as well. So you can easily contact me via mail, Telegram, WhatsApp, whatever you want, maybe even Discord, and get in touch so we can get everything sorted out and get you started. And at last, I want to wish everybody good luck, and we will see each other in the next one. Bye bye.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream